Hey there, how we doing? I know you came here for a reason. Join me as I challenge myself to improve my handwriting in just 1 week using some mind-blowing tips. Handwriting is one of those skills that we often take for granted, but it's essential for our everyday lives. Think about it. From signing important documents to jotting down notes in class, good handwriting can make a huge difference in how we present ourselves and communicate with others. Plus, it can also boost our confidence and make us look more professional. When it comes to handwriting, many of us struggle with legibility. You know, those sloppy letters that are hard to decipher, or words that are scribbled so fast they're almost impossible to read. It's frustrating, not just for the person reading it, but also for us, the writers. We've all been there, struggling to keep up with our thoughts as we're writing, resulting in handwriting that looks like it was written by a kindergartner. And don't even get me started on speed. How many times have we had to rush through an exam or a test only to find out that our handwriting is barely readable? Another common challenge people face is consistency. 1 minute our handwriting looks great, the next, it's back to its old sloppy self. It's like our hands have a mind of their own, and it's hard to get them to cooperate. And let's not forget about fatigue. After writing for a while, our hands start to cramp, and our writing becomes even more illegible. It's a vicious cycle, and it's hard to break free from it. So what's the solution to these common handwriting challenges? Is it possible to improve our handwriting, or are we stuck with what we've got? The good news is that, with a few simple tips and techniques, we can enhance our handwriting and make it more readable, faster, and more consistent. Now I know what you're thinking. What's the one tip or technique that can lead to immediate improvement? I did a long research on internet, and by my experience and research, I prepared it. So let's dive into some of the most effective tips and techniques that can help you improve your handwriting quickly. First, number 1, let's talk about posture and calmness mind. Believe it or not, the way we sit and have peace of mind when we're writing can greatly affect our handwriting. When we slouch or hunch over, it's hard to get our hands in the right position, which can affect the way we write. So, make sure you're sitting up straight with your feet flat on the floor and your arms at your comfortable angle to the paper. Next, number 2, it's about grip and the object you are using it. As my research and my experience, I found that pencil would be the best for the beginning, so I strongly recommend to use pencil and then ink pen and so on. The way we hold our pen or pencil can greatly affect our handwriting. If we hold it too tightly, our writing becomes stiff and rigid. On the other hand, if we hold it too loosely, our writing becomes sloppy and hard to read. So, find a pencil or pen with grip that's comfortable for you, and make sure you're not holding your pen or pencil too tightly. Third, number 3, it's about way of writing your handwriting or your handwriting style. Everyone cannot do the same exact handwriting neatly, but he might be good in other types of handwriting style. So, choosing your handwriting style will be your key point to begin with. It can be cursive, monocursive, Old American English, aesthetic, or any other. Hey there! You are still here? If yes, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It's completely free and just a click for you. So do it. Back to the topic. Let's talk about number 4. It's practice. Practice is also key when it comes to improving your handwriting. And try to practice it neatly and give it your best shot. Whether it can be slow or fast, the more you practice, the better you'll become. Try practicing different letters and words, and focus on making them consistent in size and shape. You can also try copying texts or sentences to improve your handwriting as well. Try analytics on different way of your practicing method, then it will surely help you. Number 4, another technique that can help you improve your handwriting is none other than you yourself and your self-confidence to help you to focus and develop a hard and never giving up strategy, which can in return motivates your handwriting. In fact, different styles and techniques that we use in our handwriting is like the difference between a sloppy, rushed painting and a beautiful, intricate work of art. When we take our time, we can create something truly beautiful, something that we can be proud of. So to recap, improving our handwriting requires a combination of good posture, a comfortable grip, practice, and slowing down. By implementing these tips and techniques, we can enhance our handwriting and make it more readable, faster, and more consistent. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned some valuable tips to improve your handwriting. If you have any experiences or tips you'd like to share, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our next video on writing skills and more.